I am going to show you how simple it is to get with DJI, the support. We are going to open up the DJI app. We're going to go to DJI support. Since the Osmo Action will need live chat, we're connecting to customer support. Really that simple. Now, if I'm online, you would think support would be right here. Product support, help purchasing, DJI Care, the refresh and the care and repair services and after sales policy. I need product support, so I would click it. Osmo series, the camera, other, scroll all the way down. I can email them, online support. Product technical support, since I'm not logged in, I may have to do so. And this is some frequently asked questions. It opens up to support. Smartphone today, immediate. Online, it's taking time. I thank you very much for your time, and I hope this was helpful to some people out there.